Keep me in the loop. This means to keep someone informed about what is happening. For example, please keep me in the loop regarding any changes to the schedule. This means please tell me about any new information or changes. On the same page. The phrase on the same page means that people have the same understanding or opinion. For example, before we continue, let's make sure everyone is on the same page. This means everyone should understand and agree on the situation. Back to the drawing board. This means that an idea or plan did not work, so you need to start again. For example, the client rejected our proposal, so it's back to the drawing board. This means the team needs to create a new proposal. A long shot. The phrase "a long shot" describes something that is unlikely to succeed. For example, winning this contract may be a long shot, but we should still apply. This means winning the contract is unlikely, but it is still worth trying. Learn the ropes means to learn how to do a new job or activity. For example, it took me a few weeks to learn the ropes at my new company. This means it took some time to understand the job and how the company works. Call it a day. The phrase "call it a day" means to stop working for the day. For example, we've completed all the important tasks, so let's call it a day. This means the team can stop working and continue another time. In the pipeline. The expression "in the pipeline" means that something is being planned or developed. For example, we have several exciting products in the pipeline. This means the company is currently developing several new products. Go the extra mile. The phrase "go the extra mile" means to make more effort than is normally expected. For example, she always goes the extra mile to help her customers. This means she does more than the basic requirements of her job. Put something on hold. The phrase "put something on hold" means to pause or delay it temporarily. For example, we decided to put the project on hold until we receive more funding. This means the project will not continue for now, but it may continue later. Meet a deadline. The expression "meet a deadline" means to finish something by the required time or date. For example, we need to work efficiently to meet the Friday deadline. This means the work must be completed by Friday. Take ownership. The phrase "take ownership" means to accept responsibility for a task, decision, or problem. For example, good leaders take ownership of their decisions. This means good leaders accept responsibility for the results of their choices. Bring something to the table. The expression "bring something to the table" means to provide a useful skill, quality, idea, or resource. For example, her international experience brings a lot to the table. This means her experience adds value to the team or company. Get up to speed. This means to learn the latest information or reach the required level of knowledge. For example, I'll help the new employee get up to speed. This means I'll help the new employee understand the job and the current situation. Close the deal. The expression "close the deal" means to successfully complete a business agreement or sale. For example, we offered a small discount to close the deal. This means the discount helped finalize the agreement with the customer. Keep your eye on the ball. The expression "keep your eye on the ball" means to stay focused on the main goal or task. For example, we need to keep our eye on the ball and finish the project on time. This means we must stay focused and avoid distractions so we can achieve our goal. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more English tips.